Assalamu alaikum. Today we will solve the remaining numericals of chapter number 1, simple harmonic motion and waves. Fifth question, if 100 waves pass through a point of a medium in 20 seconds, what is the frequency and time period of the wave? If its wavelength is 6 cm, calculate the wave speed. Number of waves is given and the time is given. We will calculate the frequency and time period of the wave, and its wavelength is given in centimeter. We will convert it into meters, and by using wave equation we will calculate wave speed. Number of waves is given 100, time is 20 seconds, wavelength is represented by lambda 6 cm. We will divide with 100. Centimeter is converted into meter. Lambda is equal to 0.06 meter. We have to find the frequency, time period and speed. We will use frequency is equal to number of waves divided by time. As frequency is defined the number of cycles completed in 1 second, so we can find frequency by dividing number of waves with time. 100 divided by 20, we will get the result 5 Hertz frequency. Time period is the reciprocal of frequency. Frequency is the 5 Hertz, 1 by 5, that is equal to 0.2 second. We will use wave equation. V is equal to f lambda. Frequency is 5 Hertz and lambda is 0.06 meter. By multiplying it we will get result. Speed is equal to 0.3 meter per second. The next question, sixth question, is a wooden bar vibrating into the water surface in a ripple tank has a frequency of 12 Hertz. The resulting wave has a wavelength of 3 cm. What is the speed of the wave? Frequency is given in the question and the wavelength is given. So we have to find the speed of the wave by using wave equation. Frequency is given in the question 12 Hertz. Wavelength is 3 cm. We will convert it into meter by dividing 100, as 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Lambda is equal to 0.03 meter. We have to find the speed. We will use wave equation. V is equal to f lambda. Frequency is 12 Hertz and wavelength is 0.03 meter. We will get the result. Speed is equal to 0.36 meter per second. Next question, a transverse wave produced on a spring has a frequency of 190 Hertz and travel along the length of a spring of 90 meter in 0.5 second. We have to find time period of the wave, what is the speed of the wave, what is the wavelength of the wave. Frequency is given and the distance 90 meter is given. Displacement भी कह सकते हैं, distance भी कह सकते हैं, length भी कह सकते हैं. In 0.5 second we have to find the time period, speed and wavelength of the wave. Frequency is given 190 Hertz, length is 90 meter. It is represented as displacement as well. Time is 0.5 second. We have to find the time period, speed and wavelength. We will use relation. Time period is the reciprocal of frequency. Frequency is 190 Hertz. The result is 0.05 second. By round off the digit 5, we will get the result 0.01 second. By using relation D is equal to Vt, we have to find the speed. Speed is equal to displacement divided by time. Displacement is 90 meter and the time is 0.5 second. So the required result is speed is equal to 180 meter per second. Now we have to find the wavelength. We will use the wave equation. V is equal to f lambda. Lambda, by rearranging the equation, lambda is equal to V divided by f. V is 180 meter per second. Frequency is 190 Hertz. So the required result wavelength is 0.95 meter. The next question, water waves in a shallow dish are 6 cm long. At what point the water move up and down at a rate of 4.8 oscillations per second? We have to find the speed of water waves and the time period of the water waves. Wavelength is given 6 cm and the frequency is 4.8 oscillations per second. Wavelength is given in the question 6 cm. We will convert it into meters. that is equal to 0.06 meter. Frequency is 4.8 Hertz. We have to find speed and time period. By using wave equation, v is equal to f lambda, frequency is 4.8 hertz, wavelength is 0.06 meter. We will get the result 0.29 meter per second, that is speed. Time period is the reciprocal of frequency. 1 divided by 4.8, the time period is 0.21 second. The next question, at one end of a ripple tank 80 cm cross, a 5 Hz vibrator produce water waves whose wavelength is 40 mm. Find the time the waves need to cross the tank. It is the distance, length 80 cm, frequency is 5 Hz and the wavelength is 40 mm. Given in the question, we have to find the time. Given data, distance is 80 cm, we will convert it into meter. Frequency is 5 Hz, wavelength is 40 mm. Milli is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 3, so we can write it as 40 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 meter. We have to find time. First we have to calculate the speed by using wave equation. V is equal to f lambda, frequency is 5 Hz and wavelength is 40 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 meter. Speed is 0.2 meter per second. By using relation S is equal to Vt. S is the distance and V is speed, T is the time. By rearranging it, time is equal to distance divided by speed. Distance is 0.8 meter and speed is 0.2 meter per second. So the required result time is equal to 4 seconds. Last question is, what is the wavelength of the radio waves transmitted by an FM station at 90 MHz, where 1 mega is equal to 10 raised to the power 6 and speed of radio waves is 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. Frequency is given in the question and speed is given in the question. We have to find the wavelength. Frequency is 90 megahertz given in the question. 90 mega is equal to 10 raised to the power plus 6. Speed is 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. We have to find the wavelength. By using wave equation, v is equal to f lambda. By rearranging the equation for wavelength, lambda is equal to speed divided by frequency. By putting values, we will get the result. Lambda is equal to 3.33 meter. That is the wavelength required result.